All right, I'm gonna try one more time and that's it. All right, I'm gonna try one more time and that's it. Shout out to everybody that's coming through. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for like 10 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes. So if you're watching this replay, just skip around the 5-minute, 10-minute mark. All right, but I'm just gonna see if these guys are going to come in. Meanwhile, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. My name is Big Ben. I day trade Monday through Friday. I am a professional day trader. Okay, this is what I do. I also swing trade the crypto market. Okay, so if you're definitely interested in that, hit that subscribe button. And also today we're going to talk about, should I buy any cryptos? Okay, should I buy Bitcoin? And we're going to look over some charts. So right now, guys, like I said before, I see Lance. I don't know if Lance is still here. Let me see. Hey, Lance, can you hear me? All right, so we're going to we'll just wait a little bit. Hey, what's going on, bro? Yeah, I don't know. I'm having problems with my I'm having problems with my stream, so it is what it is. Okay. So Lance and Leos, both of you guys said you want the day trading course. Both of you guys said you want the day trading course. Lance said, I already have the crypto course. I got to email you. Okay. So Lance and Leo, okay, both of you guys said you want the day trading course. Yes. So Lance, both of you guys email me. Email me today, or when you get it, whenever you get the chance. This, probably best to email me right now. And basically, I'm gonna give you that discount link, okay? Because the original price for the day trading course is $950, but you are a crypto student, so you definitely will get a discount. All right, so just email me. If you don't have the email address, let me give you the email address right now. All right. Let me see here. Benwell at Yahoo. Yeah, I mean, YouTube is messing things up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait a little bit. Okay. Lance, you still in the building? And guys, can you hear me? Let me know if you hear me. Guys, can you hear me at all? All right. Alrighty, so we're gonna start this. We're gonna start this real quick, and shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. If you're watching that replay, just skip over this. All right, let's skip over this, and let's get to the stream. Okay, I think there's only 5 people here. I'm not too sure. Shout out to 10X, Lance, Carlos, Jeffrey, Leor, who else? Lance. Shout out to everybody that's here. All right. Now, market cap still, it's not doing anything. Let me actually refresh this. I'm not sure if I refresh this yet. So Bitcoin dominance is at 52.8. $120 billion market cap. Really nothing, guys. Nothing's really going on. Okay, so let's go to the chart. Now, this chart looks like a big flag, right? It definitely looks like a big flag to the upside. Okay, and you know, it's a possibility that we could actually break this to the upside. My thing is, okay, we have resistance right here. That's number one. Okay, and number two, it's kind of a little bit too obvious right now, and honestly, I don't think it's going to push up that much. Okay, so even if we break it, right, it might not even create a new high. Okay, we might just break it a little bit just to go right back down. So just be careful. The market could suck you in and just go right back down. So be careful. I am expecting more downside. I'm not too sure how long they want to keep this market up. Maybe they want to keep this market up another month, okay? Because in January, we tried to go to that 3,200. We didn't make it. We shot back up. So let's see if they want to keep this market up again this month. But overall, guys, I do expect the 3,200 to be touched, okay? So even if we do shoot up a little bit, I don't think it's going to be that much, okay? These other coins I didn't really look at, but it's the same story. Same story with these other coins. And you just have to wait. It's a waiting process, okay? So the question of the day is, you know, should I buy Bitcoin soon? First of all, there's no reason why you should be buying anything right now. Okay, I know there's a lot of YouTubers out here talking about 2020. Okay, I don't know why people assume that, you know, 2020 is going to be that year. I see it all over the place. 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020. And then what you have now is you have a lot of people comparing the last bear market with this bear market, okay? So what they're saying is, okay, we at this stage, so it looks like we're going just to go sideways now and, you know, eventually moon up. And you can't really go by that, guys. You can't really go by the last bear market and compare it and think it's going to act the same way, okay? The only thing you can do is basically look at the bear market and say, okay, when we created the bottom, how the bottom look, you know, how the price was acting around the bottom. We can look at, you know, how far it dropped, but you can't really compare it piece by piece and think that it's going to act the same way. Okay, all bear markets is not going to act the same way. So don't think that's since, you know, don't think you know, you can actually compare the last bear market with this bear market. Okay, it's not really it doesn't work like that, and it's not that easy. I truly believe we still have more legs to the downside. It's just what it is. I truly believe we have more legs to the downside, right? So that's why you have to be patient. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm going to pretty much end this chat or this live stream early, because right now YouTube is actually playing games with the live stream, which is okay. But let me see if I see any questions here. Me and my wife is listening to you right now on Valentine's Day. She said just made a bomb. She said Valentine's Day she just made a bomb. Oh, bomb dinner. Okay. Shout out to you, Lance. Making that bomb dinner, eating right. Shout out to you, Lance, and your wife. Okay. That's what's up, bro. So right now, guys, all I see is continuation, and the market might pop up a little bit. Okay, so don't, if you see the market pop up a little bit, always remember that it can actually flop right back down, and right now I'm leaning more to the downside. So right now, a couple of things can happen. What I'm leaning more towards is, we just consolidate and just flop right back down, or we just break out of this just a little bit and flop right back down. Okay, so those are scenarios I'm looking at. I really don't think this is they want to bring this up to 4,000 like most people think they want to. Okay. So that's pretty much it. Also, we had that JP Morgan situation rolling out the first. Guys, what do you think about this? JP Morgan rolling out the first US bank-backed cryptocurrency. What do you think about this, guys? Okay. What do you think about this? The way I look at this is, to me, it's not really a lot of people are surprised. To me, I'm not surprised at all. I'm not surprised at all. Only reason why is because you have to understand the banks have a lot of money. Okay. This is why I told you guys, do not depend on Wall Street, ETFs, BACs, all that stuff. Okay. These guys don't care about you. They can say one thing and do another. Okay. So these banks can say, hey, man, we're coming in crypto. And behind your back, they're not even coming in crypto. They're actually making their own crypto. Okay. So you have to understand the game and understand, these guys don't care about you. All right. That's why I told you guys, do not make buy and hold your main strategy. If you want to buy and hold, cool. It's whatever. Okay. You can hold, whatever you want to hold. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. All right. This is entertainment only. But I don't think you should make it your main strategy. Right. Because anything can happen. Okay. Anything can happen. And we don't know how long we have to wait for that bull market to come. All right. Because honestly, the way this looks, right, in order for the market to moon up, we're going to need big institutions to come in. And if these big guys coming in are playing games like this, then I don't know how long, this bear market is going to be. And another thing with XRP, okay, I know a lot of people are saying, what about XRP? It's going to be, is XRP is going to, take a hit just because of this? I don't know, but at the same time, you have to understand that banks have a lot of money, so they can create their own XRP at any time. We talked about this before. So like I said, this is nothing new to me. Some of you guys, that's why some of you guys have so much faith into a project. I just shake my head because I used to be like you guys, right? I used to have a lot of faith in some of these stocks, and then next thing you know, it goes down the drain. So you really can't fall in love with any stock, any coin, because you don't control it. You don't control that coin. All right. The best thing to do is to figure out how to read the charts, because once you figure out how to read the charts and use trade the market, okay, now you have control. Traders have control. Investors, they don't. People that hodl, they don't have control. That's why I try to tell you guys, don't make it your main strategy, because you have to depend on this, you have to depend on that. You know, it's just sometimes it's crazy. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. Probably going to end this soon. But shout out to everybody that's here. If you don't have this course, you can check out the course, okay? And if you have any questions, let me know. Let me see here. Reese said, hey, Ben, just paused the class to tune in. Shout out to you, Reese. Shout out to you. Reese is one of my students. Greetings from Poland. Shout out to you. Sota from Poland. That's what's up. You said, so basically we're waiting for higher highs. No, we're not waiting for higher highs. Okay. We're not waiting for nothing. Okay. We are waiting for the market to continue to do whatever it wants to do. You only wait for higher highs if the bottom is in. Okay. Now, if you want to start buying and invest in more money, yes, then you wait for higher highs. But right now, whatever the market is doing, that's what you just follow the market. Okay. Right now we in this triangle, so that usually means that we are going to continue to go down. Yes, we might have spikes here and there where it looks like it's going up just to go right back down. But overall, this pattern right here looks very bearish, and it looks like a continuation pattern, right? But like I said, we'll see. We also have this trend line right here that's working. So even if it goes up, we have this trend line, which, like I said, I don't really think it could go up this far, but that's what we're waiting for. Honestly, I'm waiting for our Bitcoin to hit that 3,200 mark, and then from there, we will see what's going to happen. Honestly, I think this is a fake out, just to go right back down, okay? And most likely test the 3,200. All right, so just be careful. You said JC says scam, so you think this is a scam right here? Okay. Let me read these questions. JP Morgan coin is only for the millionaires. Yeah, most likely. JA say trying to kill crypto, take over blockchain, and crypto probably XRP is going to go to 2 cents. But anything is possible, guys. That's why you have to prepare for the worst. We talked about this before, okay? You have to prepare for the worst. It's just what it is. The great thing about the markets is the worst actually means money, okay? So if the market starts to drop more, that means that you can actually make more money. Just how it works. Some of you guys don't see it like that because some of you guys are new to this and you think everything is all about buy. Well, then you have to learn more. But guys, I'm about to get out of here. Like I said before, if you don't have this, check it out. All right, Lance and Lear, email me if you want that day trading class. like I said before, I'll give you guys the discount. And that's about it, guys. I'm going to continue to enjoy this day. Hope you guys continue to enjoy this day too. Okay. Right now, I'm not a buyer. Okay. I wish I was a buyer. I wish I was able to buy Bitcoin or these cryptocurrencies, but right now is not the time. We need more confirmation. We need more highs. It's just what it is, right? I definitely expect a big pop out of this move right here. And if the pop is to the upside, I think it's going to be a fake out. But if the pop is to the downside, you know, I expect us to go down to the lows. All right. So talk to you guys later. And guys, continue to improve. Continue to what's going on, AZ? I'm about to get out of here, bro. What's going on, Edward? Continue to improve, study, practice, and get better. Right? Always improve, guys. Get better. If you're making mistakes right now, guess what? You got to work on them. All right? Talk to you guys later, and have a great day, guys.